Now we appear to be about to move from the strictly human domain to the human-machine symbiosis, and of course machines process information, make connections, and do their work at a rate thousands of times faster than any human being can do alone. And that's what I mean by saying that the time is speeding up.
And now let's try the standard basic Western Indian toilet. For comparison to the efficient vacuum toilet, this is the amount of water that it will use, like this much. It's gonna use half of this, 5 liters maybe. Let's try. So use up at least 5 liters, that's maybe 6, maybe like 6 to 7 liters. So it's pretty inefficient in comparison to the vacuum toilets, which is why the vacuum toilet should be used in all large public bathrooms, like hotels, office buildings, or shopping malls. I think it's a good idea when there would be vacuum toilets. They're a little bit more expensive to set up, but the running and operating costs are very, very cheap. So the vacuum toilets should be more popular than they are at the moment. I hope you like the video, make your comments. a good suggestion about how to advance and how to push forward the technology of vacuum toilets so that we can protect the nature and the environment and save some water in the process and money. Thank you and have fun.